Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes, and it encompasses a wide range of topics and areas of research. In this short script, we'll touch on some of the key concepts and theories that have shaped the field of psychology. One of the most influential theories in psychology is that of behaviorism. Behaviorism emphasizes the role of environmental factors in shaping behavior, and it posits that all behavior is learned through conditioning. There are two types of conditioning: classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning involves pairing a neutral stimulus with a naturally occurring stimulus, which leads to a learned response. Operant conditioning involves the use of reinforcement or punishment to shape behavior. Both forms of conditioning have been used to explain a wide range of human behaviors, from simple reflexes to complex social interactions. Another important area of psychology is developmental psychology. This field studies the changes that occur in individuals throughout their lifespan, from infancy to old age. Developmental psychologists study topics such as cognitive development, social development, and language acquisition. One of the most famous developmental psychologists is Jean Piaget, who proposed a theory of cognitive development that posits that children progress through a series of distinct stages as they mature. These stages are characterized by different ways of thinking and understanding the world. Another influential theory in psychology is that of cognitive psychology. This approach emphasizes the role of mental processes in shaping behavior, and it is concerned with topics such as attention, perception, memory, and problem solving. Cognitive psychologists study how people process information, and they use techniques such as brain imaging and computer modeling to investigate these processes. Social psychology is another important area of psychology. This field focuses on how people interact with and influence one another, and it includes topics such as social cognition, attitudes, and group dynamics. One of the most famous social psychology experiments is the Stanford Prison Experiment, in which participants were randomly assigned to play the role of either a guard or a prisoner in a simulated prison environment. The experiment demonstrated the powerful influence of social roles on behavior. Finally, clinical psychology is a field of psychology that is concerned with the diagnosis and treatment of mental illness. Clinical psychologists use a variety of techniques to help people overcome psychological problems, including psychotherapy and medication. They may work in private practice, hospitals, or other healthcare settings. So, that's a brief overview of some of the key concepts and areas of research in psychology. It's a diverse and fascinating field, with applications in many different areas of life. Whether you're interested in understanding your own behavior or the behavior of others, psychology has something to offer. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing for your everyday insight into psychology, life tips and hacks.